Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the software type we use in our PC. So mainly there are two types of software in PC, the system software and the application software. So I'm going to open my PC from here. In my folder, you can see the C drive. I'm going to open this. In the C drive, you can see the many folder and file is available. You can see the many folder in here. This is mainly our system software. System software is installed in our C drive. In another video, I'm going to show you how you can install software in your PC. So don't worry about that. So this is our system software. And in our PC, so with system software, our PC can run. You can see my desktop from here. It's run because of system software. If I click on my Windows, you can see there are many software is installed in my PC. The editing software and multimedia software browser. You can see the many software is available in my PC. This is mainly our program software. This is our application software. We can easily add this software in our PC. So mainly there are two types of software we can use in our PC. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.